If you don't like this type of video, I will leave a pinned comment with my 2 latest crafts, but I get questions all the time about my ramen noodle hair. So today,
turn right onto New Jersey 3 East.
Today I'm going to bring you with me to get it dyed. Eventually I will make a video on how I style it, but today I'm going to my lady, which is all the way in New Jersey. I know I live in Long Island, but she's the only one that I trust. And the reason that I started putting highlights in my hair is because I noticed that when it was just one solid color, it looked bomb.com in person, and then in pictures, I looked like Lionel Richie, because there was no definition at all. I look like DJ Tanner, bangs all up in here. So I started doing highlights because of that, and then it turned into this, which I know is really orangey right now, but we're gonna fix that. And I stopped toning for that reason. Usually I like my hair straight when I get highlights because I'm tender-headed, but I didn't have the time, so I'm bringing you with me. And this is my nephew. Hello. What a day to get your hair done.
Yeah.
So this is my awesome hairstylist, Sarah, and normally we do not straighten my hair when I get it highlighted. I come with my hair straight or we just leave it curly, but I was soaking wet because there's a thunderstorm outside. So to make both of our lives easier, she kind of just dried it and straightened it so that I wouldn't have to deal with the pulling and tugging. And now she's taking pictures of my hair so that I can see all the different shades that I have going on. And we kind of discussed where the highlights would be placed. For some reason, my hair lifts a lot faster from the back. So instead of starting how we traditionally start, which is from the bottom all the way up, she's actually going to start backwards because we've noticed that my hair doesn't lighten as quick at the top, which is not the same for most people. Most people lighten really quickly by their bangs and crown area. So we're actually going to start opposite. And I really love this. This is why I love going to her, because we kind of discuss everything that's going on with my hair. And right here, she's kind of telling me where she wants to place all my highlights so that it looks like it's grown out nicely in case I can't come to her for months at a time. And right here, you can see the difference. The top of my hair is highlighted to a point where it almost looks orangey because it never lifts as much as the bottom, which is why we're starting at the top.
Look how long that hair is. I know. Can you see it in there? Look at that.
Oh, wait.
By the way, she did allow me to share what she uses.
That's great.
That should be my thumbnail. This is actually a really good look. I'm actually really liking the volume.
I love it. You have no idea.
Like all up in your grill.
And we're still leaving a little root, right?
You can take it up. You can take it up. Because you are leaving like a bunch of like darkness in between, right? You're spacing them out a little bit more. Yeah, just take it up.
Because the front had so many different shades of blonde and orange, for some pieces she did this double foil method where she only added foil to the areas that needed highlighting and kind of skipped some pieces. For other areas, she foiled the whole thing. There were so many different colors that she tried to even out. And like I said, we're starting from the front because the front always just takes me longer to lift up. So I am doing a partial, which means my entire head isn't being highlighted, and I have a lot of hair, so it actually looks like I'm doing a full head of highlights, but I'm not. A lot of the back is going to be skipped over because it is already extremely light back there. In fact, when I lift it up in a ponytail, I even have some white pieces, and I figured I would just save my curl pattern because the back is already bright enough.
Here, and I'll let you sit for a little bit. You want me to get the back for you? And this is good because if you anybody ever needs to do a foil on you, you have a picture of.
I'm not going to anyone to do foils on anything.
Well, if you move to California, you're not gonna have any other choice.
Now that I'm all foiled up, she's gonna let this process do its thing, change its color, and she's gonna mix up some toner. She did change toner brand before. She used to use Innocence, and she was cool enough to let me share exactly what toner she is using on my hair, which is amazing.
The brands,
Okay.
the colors. Natural first, so it's kids gonna keep it on a natural level.
Okay.
And then the 1-2, because you want the blue violet to take away some of that, the yellow brassiness, you know?
Cool.
And tone it.
So if I'm doing this at home, it's with
6 volume.
6 volume in what brand?
The same brand. It's called peroxide or something.
Okay.
It looks like
And this is at Beauty
Salon Centric.
Salon Centric.
Yeah.
So you need a license.
Yeah.
Now it's time to rinse out all of this stuff. So I thought this was the most satisfying part. I'm actually really glad that I got video because whenever those foils come out, it just feels so satisfying. So visually, I thought it was even more satisfying. Look how cool this looks. It was so nice to get this off of my head. She did wash shampoo and then applied the toner, which the toner you're gonna see is like this purple thing. It looks like purple shampoo. Some people just tone with shampoo. My hair is not light enough to just do that.
For that, yeah. Uh-huh. Low vision.
Oh my god, yeah, that's yogurt. And what else? Just yogurt?
It's a milk base base that I have to use, and the yogurt on top, the powdered yogurt.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
It's for fine and dull hair,
Gotcha.
so it's gonna give you a lot of shine and it's gonna plump up a little bit your fineness.
All right. This stuff smelled like I had protein on my hair. It was so delicious and made me so hungry. She actually kept it in my hair while I got my hair cut. It made it nice and soft. And then she put some milkshake brand stuff. This just made it a little easier to detangle so that she's able to cut my hair.
I love that you're showing it. Yeah, take it all off.
That's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, half an inch!
As you can see, I do not get curly cuts. I have nothing against them, but I wear my hair straight every so often, and for some reason, I just don't like how my hair sits with curly cuts. So I usually just get my hair cut normally in layers, making sure that it stays nice and long and just layers up top. And I think it looks really, really good for my face shape. So this is what I choose to do, and it is a whole lot cheaper than a curly cut.
I point cut this so that it doesn't lay so square.
Okay. Yay. Bye, bad juju.
Oh, your hair is so happy. Yeah. She's gonna treat you so right.
Oh yeah, it doesn't look so thin up there now.
You see how it's thick?
Yeah, sweet.
And then look.
Fantastic.
Oh, yes. All right. I love it.
I mean, if you want to go just a little bit.
Well, this I haven't done. This I haven't touched. No, I don't think shorter because that.
After she was done with the haircut, she added some more deep conditioner, and I actually go home with deep conditioner. I love to wash my hair in the mornings because I don't diffuse, I air dry, and this was kind of an evening appointment, so I usually just go home with my deep conditioner and style it the next day.
Oh, this isn't Deborah. Stacy. I just threw out Tammy because Tammy gotta go.
She got tatted.
Oh wow. Okay, so I'm done. You can't tell because I always leave with conditioner in my hair. I let it condition for a while and then I wash it out. I never really leave with curly hair products there because I just like doing it myself. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the color and my haircut. And my nephew's here. What's it smell like?
It smells like yogurt.
It is yogurt.
Hey there! So it's been 2 weeks and a lot has happened, and yes, I am sweating profusely because I am running a fever. Shortly after getting my hair done, I got really sick. I actually have pneumonia, but I figured I'd come out here and show you the results of my hair before my roots start growing in and it looks like I didn't do my hair at all, which is what happens all the time because my hair grows freakishly fast. So I really do love how my hair turned out, my haircut and hair color. My curls weren't compromised, which is why I love going to her. I never have to deal with like cutting off curls that just don't cooperate. So yeah, I really do enjoy it, and I figured I'd share with y'all because I get questions on my hair color all the time, if I do it at home, if I do it professionally. So I'll leave Sarah's information below if you are interested in seeing her and if you're in the New Jersey area. If not, then I'm just really glad that you hung out with me while I got my hair done. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.